Hello everyone, my name is Mona and the title of my presentation for today is Accuracy Assessment of Digital Elevation Model Generation using Ground-Based Oblique Imagery and Structure from Motion for Coastal Area. Coastal areas around the world are experiencing a coastal inundation due to the global warming, and one reliable method of analyzing inundation is by generating digital elevation model. And this project aims to create a digital elevation model for a coastal area in Horace Cadwell Pier in Corpus Christi. In this project, I've used SFM photogrammetry to generate a digital elevation model from a pair oblique imagery. To conduct this experiment, now we have installed two Crest Ultra HD 4K cameras in the building located on the beachfront, and the distance between the two cameras is 20 meters. They cover approximately 80% of overlapping area between the images, and you can see examples of left and right imagery captured by cameras on March 22nd, 2023. In terms of methodology, for generating digital elevation model, I follow these steps. First of all, image pre-processing, including cropping horizon for all the images, and next step, finding the optimal spatial distribution of GCPs and image geoprocessing, georeferencing, and then SFM 3D reconstruction from 2 view, and the last step, digital elevation model generation. In this step, I compare different transformation, affine second order polynomial and projective transformation, and in terms of residual and RMSE and registration according to results, as you can see in these tables. Finally, I picked up a projective transformation because of having the lowest RMSE and also the best registration. And also in this step, I've tested different spatial distribution to find the optimal distribution based on evenly distributed across the area and RMSE for GCPs. And you can see the result for the best distribution and using a projective transformation in this picture. Next step, SFM 3D construction using 2view SFM and MATLAB software, and actually you can see in this picture point matching, and finally digital elevation model generation using ArcGIS software. As a conclusion, I can say in this experiment, the pair oblique images were used to generate the DEM using SFM photogrammetry for coastal inundation analysis objective. Through the process, several spatial distribution for GCPs were tested to find the optimal performance of georeferencing, and SFM photogrammetry used for 3D reconstruction. Low and weak texture of input images was the main issue and the challenges during SFM process for matching. And DEM generation from oblique imagery is also challenging due to complexity of oblique images. Thank you for your attention.